Welcome back to Traveler's Place. Today we're on a boat ride through the Pile Bay in Thailand. It's one of those places you've probably seen 100 times on postcards or Instagram reels without realizing exactly where it is. That perfect turquoise lagoon surrounded by soaring limestone cliffs. Welcome to Pile Bay, a hidden gem in Thailand's Andaman Sea. Here, boats glide through waters so clear they look unreal. This bay isn't just a scenic stop. It's a little symbol of why Thailand captures so many hearts. It reflects the country's easygoing rhythm, its deep respect for nature, and its sense of joy in everyday life. Out here, surrounded by emerald shades and warm salt air, you start to feel what locals mean when they talk about Scenic, that unique Thai concept of finding fun and happiness in every moment. As your boat drifts into Pile Bay, the world outside disappears behind you. The noise from the bigger islands fades, replaced by the splash of waves against limestone walls and the hum of the engine echoing across the water. The cliffs rise almost vertically, carved by centuries of wind and tide, and they look like something from a dream, jagged yet peaceful. You'll likely see small, long-tail boats gliding nearby, their wooden hulls painted in bright colors, ribbons fluttering from their bows as offerings to the spirits of the sea. It's a beautiful reminder of how Thai culture quietly weaves spirituality into daily life. Even a simple boat ride carries meaning. Many locals still believe that protecting the sea brings good fortune. And when you're here, surrounded by nature this powerful, it's easy to understand why. Nearby, the guide might share stories about the local communities of Phi Phi, how fishermen once used these calm waters to rest, cook, and sing during the monsoon months, turning necessity into tradition. Leaving the lagoon feels a little bittersweet, but it also sparks that familiar urge to keep exploring. Maybe another island, another meal of spicy street food waiting at the next dock. Another conversation with a local who somehow feels like a friend after 5 minutes. That's the real rhythm of Thailand. Warmth, wonder, and a little bit of magic that follows you long after the boat ride ends. Thanks for joining Traveler's Place on our boat trip through Pile Bay. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future adventures. Hit like if you learned something new and drop a comment below. Let us know what country or city you'd love to explore next. See you next time, and until then, keep traveling.